So where are we going?
We're going to SM Mall.
SM Mall. What's at SM Mall?
So we're buying something. Some stuff that we need.
How about if we buy
What?
some love and Falcon? Okay, so Rose and I are headed to the mall, and one of the questions that I have for her is, why is malls so popular here? And the reason why I'm asking it is because in the states where I'm from, malls are almost a dead animal. Like, you go in there now, especially after the pandemic, and they're just now maybe starting to get filled up a little, but businesses there have really suffered, and I'm sure they've suffered here a lot as well. But why are malls so popular here in the Philippines?
Because you can buy what you want there. I think there's
A lot of selection?
yeah, there's a lot of selection.
You know,
Or some shop like that.
yeah, like a one-stop shop where you have a lot of variety, a lot of businesses.
Yeah.
And I tell you, the malls here are impressive
You can
because,
do groceries.
like, the town that I live in has like a one-story mall, and yeah, it's big, but it's nothing like the malls here. The malls here are like 2-3 stories, lots of businesses, and yeah, we're gonna take you there, and we're gonna check it out today, and kind of walk around the mall and see what it's like. Okay, so the malls here have totally different security than the malls back home. Here, it's almost like going through airport security to get in, because you have to go through like a metal detector. There's people to pat you down. I'm going to show you when we go inside. But yeah, it's a little bit different. And I also want to just give you an idea of how big this mall is. And I don't know if this is the biggest mall here, but I can tell you that it is pretty good size. Sweetie, what's the biggest mall in Davao? You know?
I think SM.
SM? Is that this mall?
I'm not sure.
All right. Well, we're getting ready to go back inside, so I have to put my mask on. It is tracking you. Look, it's following you. That's cool.
You want me to film you?
Yeah. Hold on. It's already recording. So that's the security, and I guess it's not that bad because they pretty much let you right in, but yeah, it's like an extra layer of security that you don't normally see back home that you see here. But yeah, let's walk around the mall. So later today, we're going back to Talamo proper, and we're going to see Rigel, and he requested some chocolates. So that's one of the things we have to do here at the mall. We have to get some chocolates. We need to go into the grocery so I can exchange some money, and we got to go get something to eat, because that's what we do. My vlog should be called the Davao Food Tour, because I should film everywhere we go to eat, because we eat all the time, too much. But anyway, whatever. More like a chocolate bar, or like So it took so long just to do the money exchange. And then when we went through the line was really long. Now, one thing when you're doing money exchange here, if you've got Western bills like from the United States, the dollar, they inspect the bills thoroughly. So if it's like ripped or it's got like a little chip out of it or anything like that, they won't accept that. So know that when you get your cash to come here, don't get bills that are ripped or pieces missing out of them, because when you go in here to exchange them, they will not take those bills at all. So that's something to know. Like I had like a $100 bill that they won't even take because it's got a little tear in it. So, but other than that, yeah, it's good information. What do you think? It's just the down payment. Did we even tell them what all this is? All right, so we're ready to leave the mall and head out of here. I hope that you enjoyed the tour of SM Mall Davao. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and I will see you in the next video.